Here's a great deal on a 2008 Infiniti M35X. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Infiniti prioritized comfort and style by including power trunk closing assist, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, an outside temperature display, turn signal indicator mirrors, and leather upholstery. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraint, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.